uploading large files with the streaming and progress bar. The usual approach is of the buffering approach. We will not use that approach. This is the buffering approach. It uses iForm file. iForm file it uses to upload files, but we will not be using this approach. Let me talk about iForm file approach first. Suppose a user uploads a file to our ASPNET Core server. The steps are that if the file is larger than 64 KB, then it goes to a temp folder. Larger files first go to a temp folder. From there, from the temp folder iForm file, it is created for every file uploaded. This is created for each file in the temp folder, and then this is finally copied to saved to the final location, as you must have seen in the code that we use for iForm file. There are problems with this. One problem is that if there are too many concurrent users, then we are likely to face a disk space problem for, let us say, 1 GB file or so. We will also have problems of memory because we are using temp folder for storing files. So this also causes problems for progress bar. We cannot show a progress bar because files will first go to the temp. It will be progressed till temp. It will not be a real progress bar if we show. So no progress bar is possible in this case. These are the problems, and now let me show you how we do it by showing a project. We will not take to temp folder, we will directly save it to the final location. Let's first run it. Stream file upload with progress bar, and let's pick a file, a larger file. I'll pick, this is a larger file, so I'll pick and will show upload. So there is a quick progress bar that takes the file to the final location. The file is directly saved to the final location. It does not go to the temp folder. We have our final location in uploads. We are saving a file under a new file name, but you can save it to another disk also, so that we do not have to double our space requirements. Then we have to first of all create two filters for this approach. First is anti-forgery, then we have model binding. Let me show them quickly. The anti-forgery filter, this filter will create a request verification token cookie. This cookie is created through this filter. This will be readable through JavaScript because we'll be using JavaScript for showing the progress bar. Then we have model binding. We have to disable the form model binding. We have to disable form model binding because we shall be writing our own code to read multi-part sections. So this is the code part. Very quick filters, you can use them as such because I have also taken from the official Microsoft. So program.cs file, we are using Kestrel, so we will configure so that we are able to take sizes to 2 GB. Then other options are there. You can read the code yourself. It is on GitHub. The link is in the description. So here we are adding the two filters, one for anti-forgery and other for disabling form validation. These two filters are added. Nothing else is done except create this directory for uploads. The name we have given is in the same place, but it can exist anywhere. And now let's have a look at the index.cs HTML. This is the markup. Upload a file must be less than C program.cs for increasing the limit. You have already seen that. Then we have the file upload buttons and an output for showing the progress percentage, and this is the progress bar, the visual progress bar that will show the progress percentage. So this is the JavaScript. First we get all the tags, then we have a function for getting the cookie, the request, the cookie that for request verification. Then XML HTTP request post to index. Then this true means that the upload will be asynchronous. And setting the request header for request verification. Then we have, this is the progress percentage that is shown real time. Then if the status is success, will display, on failure will display the failed message. On error we have these errors, and then this is the xhr.send. The JavaScript is also fairly simple if you are already familiar. Now the C# code, it's a boilerplate, so you will have to make sense out of it. Form options are first set, they contain some defaults. Then this is the on post async, is multi-part, content type, some validations. Then we use multi-part reader to read the sections one by one. Because everything is done manually, the code can be copy pasted or modified as per your needs. So we have given comments everywhere, you can read them. So this is to prevent hacking. Then make checks on file extension. Here I haven't done them, you can add your own code. Create the name of the file to finally save, and this copy to async, and then file upload. You can make file signature validations and other things. And this is the whole code. You can download. I'll stop. Thank you.